In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize the Salesforce Lightning platform to import data using the Data Import Wizard. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just starting with the platform, this guide will help ensure you can successfully import your data without any hassle. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Salesforce by going to the familiar URL, Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. From there, you'll land on the homepage of your Salesforce environment. This is your central hub for accessing all things Salesforce, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon, commonly represented by a small gear. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. Select Open Advanced Setup to enter the setup area of Salesforce, where we can access more tools and features. Once inside the setup page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Utilize this search function by typing in Data Import Wizard. This will filter the setup features, allowing you to easily locate the link to the Data Import Wizard. Click on this link and it will take you to the Data Import Wizard interface. Within the Data Import Wizard interface, you'll see an option labeled Import My Data. Clicking on this option will guide you to the next part of the import process. Now look for the Start button and give it a click. This is the button that primes the wizard to begin processing your data files. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the type of data you want to import. For most users, this involves selecting either contacts or accounts, depending on the nature of the data you're working with. After making your selection, click Next to proceed further. You'll then be given the chance to select individuals from the available categories. A handy option here indicates your .csv file is ready to import. Ensure your data file is prepared based on Salesforce's import standards, then click this option and press Next to continue the process. You're close to completion. Click on Upload Files, where you can browse your computer to find the prepared .csv file. Once the correct file is selected and uploaded, hit Next to move forward. Now it's time to click Import to begin the actual data importation. If all is in order, this will accurately load your data into Salesforce. Finally, after the process completes, you will have the option to discard if there were any errors or to done if everything went smoothly. Simply leave the interface by pressing Done. Congratulations. You've successfully imported data into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. Each step in this process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that whether you're importing a small set of contacts or a large database, you can do so with ease and confidence.